So we're walking into an abandoned garage in the center of Binghamton. We have no idea what's going on. I'm not allowed to use flash photography, and very few people are actually paying attention to their mobile phones. There are only a certain number of people allowed in the space at any time, and no one has been advised as to what the performance entails. You can hear a lot of nervous laughter by the crowd, not understanding what this is or where this is headed. Here we are immersed in the darkness with only punctuated sounds and lights at random intervals within the space. In the center of the room is a large cube covered in aluminum foil. Tempo is clearly picking up. There is the sense that something is about to happen. The question is, what? I wonder what happens next.
Hi, this is Catherine Henry. I'm at Luma Festival, and we're at the entrance to one of the biggest attractions of the event. And I'm here with the Onionlab and Chubby. Tell us a little bit about their project called Phasing Rain. Gentlemen, what was the concept behind this, and how did you decide this particular building?
The idea was from last year that we were here presenting another work, and we were scouting different locations, and finally we ended up looking that one and thinking of doing something outside, but then finally we decided to do something immersive, so surrounding the audience, and the audience could walk around and have different experiences. And
how did you choose the emotion, how to create the tension, and also the decision in terms of creating poles of light rather than projection mapping or some other medium?
Comes everything after a deep study of which are the different parts of the script that you want to make the audience feel, and after deciding which are the different kind of sound that you want to use, you start playing with them, and then you start experiencing different situation all along the whole piece. So at the end, it's a combination of a little bit of playing around, experiencing, and having something pre-set on our script. So it's mixing everything, and then you find out with this result.
Like, how did you choose? I mean, is this generally your medium? Would you say it's more working with light, working with sound, or working with emotion?
We always use these three things that you have said. So for us, it's really important the music. It's half of the piece, so 50%, and then the other 50% is the light. So with the light and the music, we try to make the audience feel emotion. So that's the mix of all that give us this tool.
It's slightly minimalistic though, is that part of this? Because compared to some of the other projection maps that take over an entire building, how would you compare your work? Because it's really much more elegant and streamlined in many ways.
They're different works. You cannot compare. This is something special, and it's very
But you work with more Baroque types of type of mapping, or is this like this is more your thing?
Yeah, we play in different fields.